Alright, so now time to start knocking this stuff off. I think this color is really freaking good, so I'm going to see what it looks like here in just a second. So we can get all this stuff off.
As always, just here for moral support, you know. But make sure to go check out the FishHuntWyo webpage for all of your hats, your shirts, any of your apparel that you might need. We got some decals out too. We got some cups. Make sure to, we'll leave a link down below.
Yeah, when it's created, because we don't actually have one yet. We did, except for it wasn't a very good website, but we are making one, so keep that in mind. Also, please subscribe before you see the end result. Please, this took some time. My wife let me come out here and film this while she's taking care of the baby. Thank you so much, honey. Please subscribe. That would mean a lot to us. John's wife, let him come over. She's behind the camera. Thank you, Emmy Bishop.
We love you both. For letting us enjoy our hobby.
Yeah, pretty much.
Even though we get made fun of. But yeah, so we disintegrated our wire.
Yeah, and I need to find that wool brush. I know we got one somewhere. Don't know where. Yeah, check that. Oh my gosh. There's so much to this.
Yeah.
I'm not even used to this much.
Like, it makes that one seem like it's got half the horn.
I know.
As this one does. I mean, guys, here's right here real quick. Like, that's some good mass on him.
So yeah, pro tip real quick. They don't really give you a whole lot of steel wool. You might want to get some more. Alright guys, last step. We're going to literally spray the shellac out of this. Oh yeah. I think she's done. We'll put her in the light with the flash on to kind of show you the color, but we'll let it dry here. And I think it turned out pretty good. Definitely darker on this side, which is good. Alright guys, so we brought her inside the garage here to kind of show how the lighting is, because the lighting is way better in here. As you can see, they turned out very nice. We actually did 2 antlers. One was kind of like our test run on the beginning. Turned out very well. This one turned out pretty good too. I think overall this one probably turned out a little better than this one, but it's just because this is, I think, is 2 years old. I thought it was hard white, but it might be 2 years old because the cracks are kind of filling in. But overall, I think it looks pretty dang good. I guess you can kind of see the coloring in all of them here. If we flip this guy around, you can see, I mean, it brought out all the detail up into the burr here, pretty decent. Yeah, this is after we sprayed everything on there. If for some reason it doesn't turn out how you'd like and you've already sprayed that stuff on there, you can always add more color later on. I know you already kind of sprayed that in there to seal everything, but it does absorb into the horn, so it doesn't stay super shiny all the time, and you can kind of keep adding, you know, a couple weeks later or whatever, and keep playing with it if you'd like. But I think it turned out pretty darn good. This one turned out pretty good too. So pretty nice 6-point bull. I think overall the color on this one turned out pretty darn nice too. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Go check out Hunting Freak over at Instagram as well. He's going to be in a ton of our videos now, and we'll go from there. But yeah, catch you in the next video.